If you're a property investor, chances are you may be considering hiring a quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyors are professionals who specialise in tax depreciation and measurement and management of construction costs. They can help you keep track of your project's budget, identify potential cost savings, and ensure that your project is completed on time and within budget. But with so many quantity surveyors to choose from, how do you know which one is right for your project? Here are some key qualities to look for in a quantity surveyor. First is experience. A good quantity surveyor will have a wealth of experience in the construction industry. This means they will have worked on a wide variety of projects and will be familiar with the unique challenges and opportunities that each project presents. Look for a quantity surveyor who has experience working on projects similar to yours, as this will give you the confidence that they know how to handle your specific challenges and your project. Second is technical expertise. Quantity surveyors need to be experts in the measurement and management of construction costs. This means they should be well versed in the latest construction technologies, methods and materials, as well as each of the costs associated with these. Look for a quantity surveyor who has a strong understanding of the technical aspects of your project, as this will ensure that they can accurately estimate and manage the costs on your project. Third is strong communication skills. Effective communication is crucial for the success of any construction project. A good quantity surveyor will be able to clearly and effectively communicate with all stakeholders, including the project team, the client, and the other professionals involved in the project. Look for a quantity surveyor who is a good listener and who can communicate the complex information in a clear and concise manner. Fourth is attention to detail. Quantity surveyors need to be detail orientated. Even as small errors in cost estimate or management can have a big impact on a construction project. Look for a quantity surveyor who is meticulous and thorough in their work and who pays close attention to even the smallest details. Fifth is flexibility. Construction projects can be unpredictable, and a good quantity surveyor will be able to adapt to the changing conditions and circumstances. Look for a quantity surveyor who's able to think on their feet and who is willing to be flexible in order to ensure the success of your project. By looking for these qualities in a quantity surveyor, you can be confident that you are hiring a professional who will provide the expertise and support you need to successfully complete your construction project. And if you're looking for a certified quantity surveyor who has all of the following qualifications I've mentioned, then you don't need to look anymore. MCG Quantity Surveyors is the one for you. You can find our contact details below, and if you're looking for a quantity surveyor who can help with your property, give us a call.
Follow us on our social media pages. You can find us on Facebook, MCG Quantity Surveyors Tax Depreciation Experts, on Instagram, at MCG Quantity Surveyors, and on LinkedIn, MCG Quantity Surveyors. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos answering the real estate industry's frequently asked question and other fun content. Don't forget to like and share this video.